What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a dairy-free collagen coffee creamer from scratch using just a handful of ingredients. So what we're going to do is take a half cup of raw cashews. We're going to cover them with water and we're going to let them soak overnight in the refrigerator. Next morning, take your cashews, drain the water and rinse them really well. Not only does this make the cashews easier to work with in terms of breaking them down, but it also removes some of the phytic acid as well. Next, we're going to take our cashews and we're going to add them to a high-speed blender, something like a Vitamix or a Blendtec. And to that, we're going to add 1.5 cups of purified water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 scoop of the Primal Kitchen unflavored collagen peptides, and a small pinch of sea salt. And then we're going to start our blender on the lowest setting, and we're going to slowly ramp up until we get to the highest setting. And we're going to let it blend on that highest setting for about 2 minutes until the ingredients are blended up really smooth. And there you go, no more buying expensive non-dairy creamers at the store. And plus, every time you use this one, you get a nice boost of collagen in your drink. So thanks for watching everybody. Try it out for yourself and enjoy.